Vegetarianism, the practice of abstaining from meat consumption, often sparks debate about personal choice and social pressure. While some individuals adopt vegetarianism with unwavering conviction, others perceive it as a lifestyle imposed upon them. This perception can lead to tension, particularly within families or social circles where dietary choices differ. It is important to acknowledge that food choices are deeply personal, often intertwined with cultural norms, ethical values, and individual preferences. Vegetarianism, at its core, is a personal choice that should be respected, just as the choice to consume meat is a personal decision. However, conflicts can arise when individuals feel pressured to conform to a particular dietary ideology. A vegetarian who constantly criticizes a meat eater's choices can create a hostile environment. Similarly, a meat eater who dismisses vegetarianism as a fad diet can be equally insensitive. Open dialogue and mutual respect are crucial for navigating these sensitive waters. Sharing information about the motivations behind dietary choices, whether health-related, ethical, or environmental, can foster understanding and bridge the divide. The claim that humans evolved as herbivores is a misconception that lacks scientific basis. Our evolutionary history, as evidenced by fossil records and anthropological research, paints a clear picture of humans as omnivores. Our ancestors consumed a varied diet consisting of both plant and animal matter, which was essential for their survival and development. The structure of our teeth, with both incisors for tearing meat and molars for grinding plant material, supports our omnivorous nature. Our digestive systems, unlike those of herbivores, are not designed to solely process plant cellulose. We lack the multi-chambered stomachs and specialized enzymes found in herbivores that allow for efficient plant digestion. Furthermore, the consumption of meat played a crucial role in the development of the human brain. Animal protein provided the necessary amino acids and fatty acids that fueled the growth of our brains, leading to the cognitive abilities that distinguish us from other primates. While humans can survive on a vegetarian diet, it is essential to recognize that our evolutionary history has shaped us as omnivores. Our bodies have adapted to utilize nutrients from both plant and animal sources for optimal health and function. A well-planned vegetarian diet can offer numerous health benefits, including lower risks of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Plant-based diets are typically rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, it is crucial to be mindful of potential nutritional deficiencies associated with vegetarianism. One of the most common deficiencies is vitamin B12, which is primarily found in animal products. Vitamin B12 is essential for red blood cell formation, neurological function, and DNA synthesis. Vegetarians who abstain from all animal products, including dairy and eggs, need to supplement their diet with reliable sources of vitamin B12. This can be achieved through fortified foods such as plant-based milk alternatives and breakfast cereals, or through vitamin B12 supplements. Other nutrients that may require attention on a vegetarian diet include iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Iron from plant sources is not as readily absorbed as iron from animal sources. Calcium is crucial for bone health and can be obtained from leafy green vegetables, fortified foods, and calcium supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain function and heart health, can be obtained from sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Achieving balance, the cornerstone of a healthy vegetarian diet. A balanced vegetarian diet requires careful planning and attention to ensure adequate intake of all essential nutrients. Variety is key, as different plant-based foods offer a diverse range of vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. Protein, essential for building and repairing tissues, can be obtained from a variety of plant sources, including legumes, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds. Incorporating a variety of these protein sources throughout the day can help meet daily protein requirements. Carbohydrates, the body's primary source of energy, should primarily come from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These sources provide fiber, which is important for digestive health, blood sugar regulation, and cholesterol control. Healthy fats, essential for hormone production, cell function, and nutrient absorption, can be obtained from avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Limiting saturated and trans fats found in processed foods and some animal products is also important for overall health. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and incorporating a variety of plant-based protein sources, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, individuals following a vegetarian diet can achieve a balanced and nutritious dietary pattern. Ethics and ecology, exploring the motivations and limits of vegetarianism. The decision to adopt a vegetarian lifestyle is often driven by a complex interplay of ethical and environmental concerns. Many vegetarians choose to abstain from meat consumption due to animal welfare issues, objecting to the conditions in which animals raised for food are kept and slaughtered. Factory farming practices, which prioritize profit over animal welfare, have raised significant ethical concerns. The use of antibiotics, hormones, and confined living spaces in factory farms has been linked to animal suffering, environmental pollution, and potential risks to human health. From an ecological perspective, meat production has a significant impact on the environment. Livestock farming contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, water pollution, and biodiversity loss. Reducing meat consumption is often seen as a way to lessen one's environmental footprint. However, it is important to acknowledge the limitations of vegetarianism within the context of the natural food chain. In some ecosystems, grazing animals play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity and soil health. Furthermore, certain agricultural practices, such as monoculture farming, can have negative environmental impacts regardless of whether crops are grown for human or animal consumption. Veganism's spectrum from compassion to confrontation. Veganism, a stricter form of vegetarianism that excludes all animal products, often evokes strong emotions and social responses. While many vegans are motivated by compassion for animals and a desire to reduce animal suffering, others adopt a more confrontational approach that can alienate those with differing views. Vegan activism, aimed at raising awareness about animal cruelty and promoting veganism as a lifestyle, can take various forms, from peaceful protests and educational campaigns to more aggressive tactics that involve shaming or harassing those who consume animal products. While passionate advocacy is essential for driving social change, it is crucial to strike a balance between raising awareness and fostering understanding. Aggressive or judgmental approaches can be counterproductive, creating defensiveness and hindering open dialogue. Instead of resorting to confrontation, effective vegan advocacy focuses on education, empathy, and promoting the positive aspects of veganism, such as its health benefits, environmental sustainability, and delicious plant-based cuisine.